To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the three vertical dots located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Next, navigate to the Privacy option. Scroll down, and you will find the option called App Lock. Tap on it. You will then see the Unlock with Biometric option. Simply toggle the slider on to enable it. You can choose to unlock with Fingerprint or unlock with Face ID, depending on your device. Select your preferred option. Now, choose when you want WhatsApp to lock automatically. You can set it to lock immediately, after 1 minute, or after 30 minutes of inactivity. If you don't want content to appear in notifications, you can toggle this slider off. Now, exit WhatsApp and reopen it. From now on, whenever you or anyone tries to access WhatsApp, it will require your fingerprint, Face ID, or device password. So that's how you can enable App Lock on WhatsApp and keep your chat secure.